guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and today we are going to be creating this lovely red gem of a look today. So hopefully you guys like the look. If you do, then go ahead and stay tuned to see how I created this look. And if you are new, welcome. And if you are my returning fam, then thank you so much guys for coming back, and you guys are amazing. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop on this bad boy. And we are out. Okay guys, so as you see, my face and my brows are done like always, and now we're going to go ahead and move to the eyes. And the main palette we're going to be working off is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette. And I wasn't quite sure in the beginning what shades I wanted to do, but these are the ranges of these shades from the palette we're going to go ahead and use today. And the first shade we're going to go ahead and try is the shade called Morocco. And we're going to place that on the crease and slightly above the crease, and we're just going to blend that out. Now to deepen that crease, we're going to go ahead and use the shade Fudge, and we're going to place that directly on the crease and then blend that out. Now I wanted to get a darker brown, and as you can see, I hardly ever use this palette. It's still got the wrappings all over it, and we're just going to use this brown shade from Decay's Smokey palette. And we're going to place it on the crease to deepen that Fudge shade again, and we're going to blend that out. Now to go ahead and create the cut crease, we're going to be using my favorite Conceal, Correct, and Contour Kit from NYX Cosmetics. And we're just going to take my little painter brush here and place it on the lid and then blend that out. Once it has been completely blended, we're first going to try the shade Soft Peach, and we're going to place that directly on the lid. I wanted to have like a more natural tone lid first, so that's the reason why I'm starting off with Soft Peach. And now to bring in a little bit of shimmer, we're going to go in with the shade Bellini. And because I'm extra, I was like, I'm gonna need some more shimmer, so we went in with Pink Champagne to put that right on top. So I know you see the red and you're freaking out, but don't freak out, you guys. So this is the pencil from NYX, and this is in the shade Red. And we're going to go ahead and place it on the bottom lashes. Once it has been completed, we're going to go in with the black liner, and this is from Black Radiance Beauty, and we're both going to place it on the waterline of my bottom lash line and then also on the top line as well. Now to start off with the liner, we're going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner, and this is in the shade Baddest Black. And you should always start with lining your lash line when doing the wing liner. It kind of just helps me direct making sure that I get all the black first and get the line that I want to create to make that wing. And then once the wing is completed done, we're going to go back in with the palette and we're going to set the liner, and we're going to set it with the shade Noir. Now to go ahead and give yourself some mascara, we're going to use the Black Radiance Lash Lengthening. We're just going to go ahead and do the top lashes. Now we're going to go ahead and smoke out that red liner, and we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, and we're going to use this bright red shade. I did place it on with a shader brush, and then I blended that out with a nice fluffy brush. And now we're gonna go ahead and put on the lashes, y'all. So how do you like it? This is the look so far with the lashes on it. And I also did put the black mascara on the bottom lash now that my smokiness has been completed. And now we're on to the final stage, you guys, which is my favorite part, and it's the lips. And as you know, this is one of my favorites. We are going to be using the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And we are going to be using two different colors from Colourpop. The first one is a more darker red, and this is the shade Rooch, or Rooch, whatever. We're going to be using that shade, and we are going to be actually placing this a little different than normally. I'm going to go ahead and place it in the middle of my lips and then pretty much blend that out together. And then we're going to use the second lipstick shade, which is called Saigon, and we're going to be placing that on the outer corners of the bottom lip and then also on the bottom portion of my top lip. Once both shades have been completely on, I'm going to then use my finger to dab and blend. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And again, I'm going to stop rambling on and get back to the video. Well, guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Yay? Nay? Wish I did a different color other than red. I like it. It's completely different. I totally see this being as like a glam. I'm going out with my girls or I'm going out with my boys. Hope you guys like it. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you watched the entire video and you didn't click that subscribe button, then I don't know what you're doing, but I'm gonna think you need to click it now because you like what you saw and you like this and you like this and you like this. You like all of this, so why not go ahead and click that subscribe button. And you can't forget about the notification bell, because how would you know I got a new video if you ain't got that notification bell? So if you're my returning fan, then again, guys, thank you so much for your love and support. You guys are amazing. If you have any questions, comments, leave them please down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you at the next